Hello! In this video, we will show you how to set up native ads in your app. This app is a template, so we use the dashboard card with a background image to demonstrate the native ad. Let's remove the dashboard card activity and put the actual native ad activity instead. Let's customize its design. It's crucial to remove the background color so that it does not cover the actual native ad. Change the card border color to red to highlight our native ad. It should be displayed in this window. To run it in your app, you need to register in AdMob. Add your app there, create a native advanced ad unit, and insert its keys in the monetization settings of your app, and also AdMob App ID. Let's go to AdMob. Add our app there, and create a native advanced ad unit. Okay, now let's copy the native ad key and AdMob App ID to Andromo monetization settings. Finish the settings in AdMob. It's simple. On the right, you customize the design of your native ad, and on the left, you insert the necessary keys. Now, let's build our app and check out how the native ad works. We set up our application on the device, and we see that the native ad has launched. Excellent. If your native ad is not showing on the device, check 3 things. Make sure your ad network account is approved. Do not set background color and background picture for your native ad. Otherwise, it won't be seen on the device. You may have to wait a bit if the ad network has a low fill rate in your area. Thank you and good luck.